We appreciate you returning to the Coinceras channel. Market volatility is starting to impact Pepe prices, so holders should exercise caution today. Salutations, gents. In this exclusive video, we'll go over the latest news on Pepe's pricing, among other things. We'll also cover how smart money is affecting Pepe's development, how the market is volatile right now, and more. Please subscribe and enable notifications if you all agree that is a fantastic idea. I propose we dive headfirst in. You should know right off the bat that the Bitcoin industry is still quite unstable. Pepe has, as predicted, seen a little drop in the last day or two, as seen above. Clearly, our present transaction price is close to 6,000. Once again, we're retracing below 8,000 after breaking through to the 9,000 barrier for Pepe. To Pepe in the current state of the Bitcoin market, it appears that there has been a certain amount of volatility in the short term. It is essential, however, that we set this in its correct context. Now that you know this, you can't claim that Pepe is the only reason for the price. Bitcoin is just one of many prominent cryptocurrencies that contribute to the extreme volatility of the crypto market. Plus, it's pink and completely unpredictable. And for the previous few days too. With May as its pivotal month, the first Bitcoin is hovering around 56,000. With this enormous pump, we were able to reach a maximum pressure of 65,000. Nonetheless, there has been a great deal of downward volatility over the last 2 days, therefore our target is 62,500. When looking at the current state of the cryptocurrency market as a whole, there is a lot of volatility, which impacts the price of Pepe. Taking a look at the meme coin market shows a precipitous decline in value. What counts most, though, is the current strategy of the smart money around Pepe. It seems that Floki and Pepe are favorites with smart money traders, as they have invested more than 50 million in both of them in the last week. Pepe and Floki, two meme coins based on Ethereum, have been the favorites of smart money traders during the previous week. Data from the Onit network indicates that Pepe received smart money to the tune of 48.8 million. Wealth Floki was paid 4.3 million for the period. This is intriguing for a second reason. Seeing some of this smart money pouring into Pepe is encouraging. Even though Pepe has been hit with some volatility in the past day, he is still relatively speaking in a bullish zones today. Zooming out on the daily charts here makes this very evident. Investing in this cryptocurrency over the long haul, I'm talking years, will show you just how much work goes into getting a pet. Nonetheless, it is heartening to observe that astute money whales are still purchasing pets on the long-term chart I am presenting here. All signs indicate that the outcome will be positive. Remember when Pepe was trading around the 300 level? If you go back all the way, you'll see it. In case you were wondering, the price is 79,000 right now on this page. Many absurd multiples have occurred over Pepe. Indeed, it was long ago listed by Binance. Additionally, the true length of this period is not fully appreciated. Because Pepe and other cryptos can go dormant for long stretches at a time, something you might have forgotten this year was basically power-based sideways trading. It might burst into flames after it awakens. Our observations point to that for Pepe. Again, there has been some nice upward momentum recently. At this time, 10,000 is the price target for a bullish breakout. As a result, the 10,000s are now the desired range for Pepe. There is a great slope here, but a breakout would signal the beginning of bullish momentum. Bitcoin has a dampening effect on the present condition of Pepe pricing. For Bitcoin to finally unload its grip on the cryptocurrency market, it must break through the 65,000 barrier. The Bitcoin resistance zone is currently preventing us from moving forward. On top of that, we need to make sure the Bitcoin business really outshines that. Therefore, I still think that 2024, thanks to all the macro drivers, would be a fantastic year for Pepe and crypto. There will be an election in 2024, and some think that if Trump is elected, it will be good news for us. Standard Chartered Bank advises that, as a result, you should also monitor the cryptocurrency market for these significant bullish macro forces. As a result, I believe that when people start making more money, retail investment will come back and Bitcoin will see more bullish momentum. By the year 2024, it will have been an absolutely riveting year. Above all else, if you are selling Pepe and happen to be based in a Western nation with a tax system, you need to be mindful of this. A big change in the US tax system is coming next year, in my opinion. Starting in January of 2025, the Internal Revenue Service will have access to all of your data related to centralized exchanges if you are sending trades into or out of there. DEX trades are also a part of this. A big change is on the horizon for Americans: the arrival of Form 1099-DA. Maintaining order in the market is essential if you are not excellent at recording the details of your Bitcoin transactions. It was a major error on my part to attempt to use Excel for this. At the moment, I'm making use of coin tracking, which anyone may sign up for at no cost. You can automate the recording of your deals by connecting automatic APIs in the commercial edition. To use this tool, which will be useful if you do a lot of trades, you can find the link in the video's description or find it on various platforms like Kraken or Coinbase. Nonetheless, I think it's critical that people maintain vigilance regarding this. It is also common knowledge that governments treasure tax revenue. Be on the lookout for attacks in the US and other countries. This goes hand in hand with Bitcoin trading in certain countries. Be cautious, though, because that could backfire in the end. Furthermore, let's jump straight to the main currency. Today, I will make sure to check out all of the crypto meme coins on the chart, not just Pepe. It would appear that all markets saw negative volatility today. Some minor retracements have occurred, some more pronounced than others. Because of Pepe's apparent strength in the 35 zone, whales may be shifting dollars out of dog. Unless they are doing something really extraordinary, I think most meme coins today are seeing a pullback. Keep in mind, too, that retracements aren't necessarily bad, particularly if they bring up intriguing long-term chances. In the future, if the market has a massive bull run and the government implements a crypto policy that helps the US economy, we could see a Pepe valued $50 billion. This is just looking at the broad picture, though. Having stated that, you should know that the meme coin market is full of potential and threats. That is something to consider and draw your own judgments on before investing in cryptocurrency. Your presence here today for my in-depth examination of the Bitcoin market and Pepe is very appreciated. If you enjoy them, you will see these updates frequently on this channel. Find out more by signing up. Subscribe to our channel if you want to hear about new cryptocurrency initiatives before anybody else, because we are always investigating them. There is always the possibility of horrible things happening, but you were aware of that. You don't have to commit to any cryptocurrency if you don't want to. Regardless, I believe it's prudent to begin studying cryptocurrency right away. Take Bitcoin as an example. You were likely aware of it in 2014, when it was in its early stages. It would put you head and shoulders above the competition if you knew what you were doing while buying and selling it. Because of the high degree of uncertainty inherent in the cryptocurrency market, those individuals are rushing to support the right projects. It will take time, but the payoff is substantial. My heart will explode with excitement the day Bitcoin reaches 100,000. Thus, we have not yet arrived. In my opinion, that's bound to happen eventually, and when it does, the value of meme coins like Pepe will skyrocket. Nevertheless, that is a noteworthy advancement, everyone. That is the end of the video. Subscribing to my channel would mean the world to me. Until next time.